Now we start again. So before we start a new lesson, I want to review the previous one. So when we talk about the thought process with T, yeah, there is two kinds in general. This is the Pancha Dwara, yeah, five sense door, five door thought process, and the Manodwara, mind door, yeah, mind door. So under the title of the Pancha Dwara, there is a five, yeah, five Chaku Soda, Kana, Jewa, Kaya, and under the Manodwara, there is two kinds, Vibhuta and Avibhuta, yeah, clear and obscure. And then I think it's better to write with this one, yeah. With T, it's two Panchadwara, yeah, Panchadwara and Manodwara. So Panchadwara, there is a five, yeah, five, Chaku, Sota, etc. And Manodwara, there is two kinds, Vibhuta, yeah, Vibhuta and Avibhuta, yeah, Avibhuta. And again, in the title of the Manodwara, there is two kinds again. This is Kama Javana, Kama Javana, and Apana Javana. Apana Javana. So we have finished Pancha Dwara Viti, yeah, five sense door thought process, and Manodwara not yet. And under the title of the Manodwara, Kama Javana also not yet, Apana Javana also not yet, yeah. So before we start the Manodwara Viti, we have to continue with this one, I think so. So last week, we are talking about this, yeah. This is, actually, this is, I don't know how to say that. This is like what I feel is a digesting the previous lesson, yeah. So when we look at the thought process, there is a seven modes, yeah, concepts, yeah. Panchadwara, Vajana, yeah, five sense door adverting consciousness. Pancha Vinyana, it means Chaku Vinyana, Sota, and Sampadechana, receiving, Santirana, investigating, Uttavana, determining, and Javana, and Dharamana, registration. So there is a seven modes, yeah. And again, and special, but I don't know how to make a category, yeah, make a categorize into three, yeah. The first is a general, Samanya, is seven modes, and special, in Pali, Visesa. So for the special, Visesa, there is a 14 states of consciousness, 14 states. You know, Javana here is only one, here, seven Javana, or two Dharamana. So altogether 14. And details. Detail in Pali, Vitara. With detail, it means not the, what is it, in general, yeah, not a general, very detailed, one by one, like that, yeah. So detailed Jaitas 54. So Panchadwara Vajana, five sense to abiding consciousness, one. Pancha Vinyana is 10, Sampadechana 2, and Santirana 3, and Votapana 1, and Kama Javana 29. So Kama Javana 29 is 12 unwholesomes, and 1 Hasitupada, and 8 Mahakusala, and 8 Mahakiriya. Yeah. So altogether, Kama Javana, Sanskrit Javana 29. And Tadaramana 11. Tadaramana 11 is 3 Santirana and 8 Mahavibhaga. So altogether, it is Sanskrit Kamavachara consciousness 54. And the Kama Javana Manodwara. Yeah, it's a Manodwara, which mind to thought process. Kama Javana Vara. Here, Manodwara Vajana. It's a mind to adverting consciousness. Kama Javana 29 and Tadaramana 11. So altogether, 41. Yeah. So 3 modes, 10 states of consciousness, and detail data 41. So this is categorizing into 3. Yeah. General, Samanya, special, Visesa, and detailed Vitara. So it is a way of the digesting the previous lesson. That's what I understand. Yeah, it's nothing to do with the thought process. Okay. And here as well. Yeah. Reviewing, or I don't know how to say that. So that's why I give the title analyzing. Yeah, analyzing a full thought process with the 6 sixes. Yeah. So the first one is Dwara 6. So Dwara 6, that one also a kind of overview. Yeah, overview of the thought process. So Dwara 6, Chaku, Sota, Kana, Jinwa, Kaya, Mano. This is Dwara 6. So before and after the process. So how we call? Is it door free? Yeah. You know, here Bawanga must be Bawanga, and after the thought process as well, Bawanga. So before and after the thought process. Yeah, before and after the thought process, what we call is door free, because it's the Dwara door 6s. So in the middle, yeah, in the middle, from here is a VT. Yeah, so that one as well, Bawanga. Yeah, Bawanga, and after that was as well Bawanga. So the rest are called with Indo 6 sensors. Yeah. So for the Chakudwara Viti, Indo thought process is in the middle is a Viti. It is called the Indo Viti. I hope you get it. It's just only 2 kinds. Yeah. So before and after the process, and the process, Viti consciousness. So we make it two different, yeah, 2 different category. Yeah. Okay. So the second one is Aramana 6s. So we look at the thought process as a Aramana. So before and after the thought process, yeah, before and after the thought process, it is Bawanga. So Bawanga takes the Aramana as a karma, sign of karma, and a sign of destiny. So from the Aramana point perspective, before and after the process, the object is karma, sino-karma, sino-distant. So in the middle, the viti, consciousness, present visible object. Yeah, present visible object. Five sense object generally. Yeah, for the I-do thought process, it must be present visible object. Yeah, you got it? Yeah, okay. It's not difficult, I think so. And from the Wutu perspective, yeah, so we will look at the thought process from the Wutu, yeah. So we have already, you have already learned in that chapter, yeah, Wutu Sangaha. So before and after the process is a heart base, is a Bowenga. Bowenga is the heart base. And in the middle, viti consciousness for the Chaku Dwara viti, it is an iron base. Yeah, iron base or Chaku Vinyana, iron base. Here, let me show you here. So here, Chaku Vinyana is iron base. Iron base. The rest are heart base. There is a two. Yeah. So, but for the Chakudwara viti, from the Aramana object perspective, only present visible object. From the Wutu perspective, before and after the thought process, heart base, but in the middle. So this one is I base. The rest viti are heart base. So there is a two. And from the Vijnana perspective, Vijnana, so before and after the thought process, Mano Vijnana. Yeah, Mano Vijnana. In the within the viti, yeah, so Chaku Vijnana for the Chaku Dwara viti. For the Soda Dwara viti, this must be the Soda Vijnana. And the rest viti consciousness and Mano Vijnana. Yeah. So here, this one's Chaku Vijnana, and the rest Mano Vijnana. Yeah. Maybe we can say, in the third chapter, you have already learned the Satta Vijnana Dhatu. Yeah. Satta Satta Vijnana. Yeah. Satta Vijnana. So if we say from the Satta Vijnana, seven Vijnana, yeah, seven consciousness, yeah, seven consciousness. I don't know how to say it, that's why it's very difficult. Vijnana is translated sometimes consciousness, yeah. I don't know, yeah. So then it's better seven Vijnana, yeah. Seven Vijnana, Chaku, Sota, Ghana, Jiva, Kaya, Mano, and Mano Vijnana. Yeah, Mano and Mano Vijnana, altogether seven. So if we look at from that Satta seven Vijnana point of view, and here must be Chaku Vijnana, Mano, Mano Dhatu, yeah, Mano, yeah. Mano Dhatu. Dhatu is translated as an element. Yeah. Seven consciousness element. Yeah. They translate like that. Seven consciousness element. So there must be three elements. Chaku Vijnana element, Mano Vijnana, and Mano element as well. Mano is Mano Dhatu. In the Patana, yeah, Patana, you will know that words, Mano Dhatu, Chaku Vijnana Dhatu, so Mano Dhatu, yeah, tan sampayutaka ninja dhammana. Yeah, like that. So manodhatu means pancha dwara vajana, 5 sense door adverting consciousness, and sampadechana. Yeah, sampadechana 2. These 3 is called the mano element. Yeah, so mind element. I don't know how to say. So this is from other perspective, but from the Vijnana perspective, there is a 2, Chakku Vijnana and Mano Vijnana. And from the Viti 6s, yeah, Viti 6s, before and after the process, Viti Vimutta. So I think you have already know that what is it is called. Yeah, Viti is a thought process. Vimutta is a free. Yeah, Viti free. So it is a Boinga. Yeah, Boinga the same. Viti Vimutta. So next chapter is a Viti Vimutta. Next chapter. Yeah, after the Viti. So before and after the process, it is called the Viti Vimutta. And within the frame of the process, Chakku Dwara Viti, or not, this is not true, yeah, or Chakku Vijnana Viti, yeah, Chakku Vijnana Viti. So another perspective, sixfold presentation of objects. So sixfold presentation of object is, Ati Mahanda, Ati Mahanda, very great object. Mahanda, great object. Parita, yeah, Parita Ramana, slight object. Ati Parita, very slight object. This is for the Pancha Dwara Viti, yeah, 5 sense door consciousness. And we Buddha and Avi Buddha, this is for the Manodwara Viti. So altogether 6 for presentation of object. But here we are talking about the Pancha Dwara, yeah, 5 sense door Viti. So that's why before and after the thought process, it is called the Ati Mahanda Ramana. But within the thought process as well, it is called the Ati Mahanda Ramana. So object is not change. If it is the object is the great object, but if it is the Mahanda object, before and after the process as well, Mahanda, and Viti consciousness as well, Mahanda. Yeah, so same, must be the same. So this is give the name analyzing the full thought process with the 6 sixes. Maybe, in Myanmar, in the monastic education, in the exam, they there must be a question, yeah. Actually not, not very important one, but not very important. I should not say like that. Not I don't mean like that. And when we learn the thought process, yeah, thought process, this is, we look at the one thought process from the many kinds of perspective, yeah, perspective. If you are if you know already the detail and the detail of the one thought process, you have already know that, yeah. Okay, I hope you got it. And next one is, some information when we are learning about the thought process. 3 necessary requirements for registration. Here as well, I will come in. I'm very open to receive your, feedback or suggestion of the mind translation, I don't know. I cannot find in the other manual as well. Yeah, the necessary requirements for registration, in the thought process. Yeah, we have a lot here. Thought process. Yeah, thought process only and with a very great object, you will see the Dadaramana. Yeah, Dadaramana. So the other thought process with the other object, there is a no Dadaramana. And also in the Apana Javana thought process, so you haven't learned yet. So there is a three in the Apana Javana as well. There will be no Dadaramana. So we need three requirements for registration. So registration arises only if these three requirements are met. Yeah, if there is no these three, there's no Dadaramana. So the first one is a Kama Javana. So in the thought process, there is a Javana. That Javana must be sense sphere Javana. If Rupa Vajara, five material sphere Javana, immaterial sphere Javana, Lokotara Javana, Dadaramana will not arise. This means that. Yeah. And sense sphere beings. Sense sphere being is all the beings who are born in the sense sphere realms, not in the Rupa Vajara realms and Arupa Vajara. Yeah, sense sphere must be sense sphere beings, and the object of the thought process must be sense sphere object. Sense sphere object, not like Rupa Vajara. So what is the object of the Rupa Vajara? It's a concept, Panyati. And for the object of the Lokodara, it is the Nibbana, not sense sphere object. And Arupa Vajara as well, this is not the sense sphere object. So only these three requirements are met, the registration Dadaramana arise in the thought process. And Kama Javana is a clear sense sphere beings. Even though, for example, you practice the samatha meditation, and in some stage, one day you may reach to some kind of jhana state, Rupa Vajra jhana state. You are sense sphere being, but the object of that thought process is not the sense sphere object, it's a Rupa Vajra. So then there's no Dadaramana. No Dadaramana. So that's why only these three must be met. Must be met together. So this is three kinds of three necessary requirement to be arise, and then registration. Okay. And next one is order of Dadaramana after Javana. So here as well, this one as well not very difficult, I think so. So here is a 7 Javana. 7 Javana is a Dadaramana. So Javana is a Kama Javana. How many? is a 12 unwholesome consciousness, 1 Hasitopada, and 8 Mahakusala, 8 Mahakiriya. Yeah. And Tadaramana. Tadaramana is a 3 Santirana and 8 Mahavipaka. So, you know, here the possibility is a 29. Here is 11. So, which kind of consciousness, which kind of jhana is here, and which kind of Dadaramana will arise? We have to look at that one. Yeah, we have to look at that one. So, you know, all 29 will not arise. Yeah, that one you have already know that. Even within the 12 unwholesome, you know, only one. Yeah, only one consciousness may arise at the one moment. Yeah. So, for example, here one of the 8 greed-rooted consciousness. Yeah, and one of the 2 hatred-rooted consciousness, one of the 2 delusion-rooted consciousness. Yeah. So that jhana out of one of the 29. Yeah. So which kind of jhana, when which kind of jhana arise, which kind of Tadaramana will arise? Yeah, we have to look at this one. So this is the general. Yeah, this is in general. So let's look at, let's look at first, then we can think. Yeah, we can digest together. Here, Kama Jhana. Yeah, Kama Jhana altogether 29. 29. Here is a Tadaramana. Tadaramana 11. So Kiriya Somanasa Jhana. Kiriya Somanasa Jhana 5. So what are they? Hasitopada, yeah, Hasitopada, and the rootless functional consciousness. Yeah, Hasitopada, smile producing consciousness, 1, and great functional Mahakiriya. Yeah, great functional 8 out of 8. Somanasa 4. So altogether here 5. So if one of these 5 consciousness, the jhana arise, after that jhana, the possibility of the Dadaramana must be one of these 5. This is Somanasa Dadaramana. So Somanasa Dadaramana is out of the 3 Santirana. Out of the Santirana 3 is 2 Upeka and 1 Somanasa. So out of the Santirana investigating consciousness, Somanasa 1 is a possibility. And another Somanasa Tadaramana is 4 Mahavipaka, great resultant consciousness, accompanied by joy. Yeah, so altogether 5. So this 5 to this 5 is just a possible match, but actually one of the 5. Yeah, I hope you got it. Okay. But if we make a lot of exercise together, then that will be helpful. Yeah, helpful. So next, yeah, here Javana, Kiriya, Upekha, Javana. Kiriya, Upekha, Javana. So Javana, out of the 29, Kiriya, Upekha, Javana is only 4. This is in the great functional 8. Yeah. So accompanied by equanimity. So only 4. After this 4 consciousness, Javana, the possibility is one of these 6 Tadaramana. It is 2 Ubekha Santirana. Yeah? 2 Ubekha Santirana and 4 great resultant Ubekha. Yeah? So that's why here 6. So if one of these 4 Javana arise, then one of the 6 Tadaramana will arise. So only one we have to choose. Maybe we can practice later. Yeah. And next one is Dosa Javana. Dosa Javana, hatred-rooted Javana, hatred-rooted consciousness 2. After one of the 2 greed-rooted consciousness Javana, the possibility, possible Tadaramana is one of 6, 2. Yeah, one of 6, 2. There's a lot to discuss and to analyze. Yeah, to analyze. I know that. Okay, so another group is out of the 29, Lobha Mula, greed-rooted consciousness 8, Moha Mula, delusion-rooted consciousness 2, Mahakusala Javana, great wholesome consciousness 8. Yeah, so altogether 18. If one of these 18 Javana arise in the thought process, one of the 18 Tadaramana will arise. Yeah, it's a possibility. Okay, so this is general order of the Tadaramana after Javana. So if you look at the rest note, it will be more clear. For the beginner, that will not be clear, but I don't know how much you have already learned. So that's why it's difficult. Okay, comment. What?
Yes, because if you see it in a scheme or in a schedule, it's kind of understandable. But if it, so it says if a Javana, but because the Tadaramana and the Javana are both, how do you say that? They're both experiencing the object, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So if the Javana was unwholesome,
yeah,
but the Tadaramana cannot be unwholesome.
Yeah, Tadaramana, there's no unwholesome in the Tadaramana. It's a resultant.
Yeah. Okay, yes, great, thank you.
Yeah, and that question also you were more clear, with this notes here. Ahetuka Tadaramana. Let's look up start from here. Tadaramana associated with knowledge. Yeah, I should write Javana first. Yeah. So, if the Javana is a consciousness associated with knowledge, yeah, associated with knowledge is only 8, yeah, the possible consciousness associated with knowledge in the karma, yeah, sense realm, not the rupa vachara, arupa vachara. So it's associated with knowledge is 4 in the great person, 4 in the functional, yeah, great functional. So if the one of the javana associated with knowledge arise, after that, the dharamana also must be associated with knowledge. So then 4 possibility is 1 of 4. Have you, what is it? Can you see it? You know, that's why we always say it's very important to digest the previous Abhidhamma information. If you look at the javana associated with knowledge in your mind, there is 8. Yeah, as soon as you look at, you read this one, there's 8 in the kama vajra. Yeah, 4 in the great wholesome, 4 in the great functional. After that, so here the possibility is 8. After this 8, the dharmana also must be, the dharmana consciousness as well must be associated with knowledge. So that's why 4. So in the Mahavibhaga, great resultant. Okay. Next one is I will start from here. After javana, dissociated with knowledge, and tadharamana as well dissociated with knowledge. Yeah, this one also opposite. Yeah, and next one is akusala javana. You know, common. So what you think? I understand. You know, I also thought like that. Yeah, before when I start learning. After the akusala javana. So javana is one of the akusala consciousness. The dadaramana should be ahetuka dadaramana. Yeah, ahetuka dadaramana. So it means there is only 3 possibility. Ahetuka dadaramana is only 3. Yeah, only 3. But you have to look at from that point of view as well. You know, for example, after akusala javana, so let us say one of the 2 hatred-rooted consciousness. Javana is one of the 2 hatred-rooted consciousness. After the javana, the dharamana must be ahetuka, rootless dadaramana. So the possibility is only 3. Yeah, 2 upeka and 1 somanasa. Okay, upeka 2 and somanasa 1. So you know that one. After that, you have to look at from that point of view. So here dosa. After the dosa, you see the possible dadaramana is 6. Upeka dadaramana 6. Out of 6, there is only 2 upeka. Yeah, 2 upeka and the ahetuka. So after the akusala, there must be after the akusala javana, the dharamana must be ahetuka. So this 6 not possible. There's only 2 left. Yeah, this is upeka. So like that. So maximum possible dharamana is one of the 2 upeka. So like that. So in this way, when you look at the thought process, you can look carefully with this one. Then you will have an answer. And sahetuka dadaramana after kusala javana. Yeah. Sahetuka Tadaramana after Kusala Jeta. So Kusala Jeta, one of the Kusala Jawana Jeta arise. After the Jawana, there must be Sahetuka Tadaramana. So it means the possible Tadaramana is one of 8. Okay. Can I continue? Okay. So maybe after you make some exercise, then you will understand more. And next one is objects and resultant jetas vipaka jeta. Yeah, objects aramana and resultant jetas vipaka. Yeah. Okay. So we talk about the 6 presentation object. Yeah, 6 presentation object. Ati Mahanda, yeah, very great object. Mahanda, great object. Preta, slight. Ati Preta, very slight. And Vibuddha, clear. Avibuddha, obscure. So this is from another kinds of object. Yeah, it depends on the how much energy or forces, yeah, they have. That is Adi, Mahanda, etc. So, but this 3 kinds of object is from other perspective. Desirable, very desirable. Yeah, Adi Aita, Anaita Ramana, the first one. Yeah, Aita Ramana, so negative, not undesirable object. Anaita Ramana. Yeah, Anaita Ramana. So this is undesirable object. And Aita Ramana is a desirable object. And Adi Aita Ramana is a very much desirable object. So there is a 3. And in the 3rd chapter, there is a 3 objects. Yeah, 3 objects is a different. It's a Anaita Ramana. Desirable object the same. Aita Ramana, so Anaita Ramana undesirable. Aita Ramana desirable object. There is a no Adi Aita Ramana in the 3rd chapter. There's another kind of the Aramana is Aita Mijata Ramana. It's the middle. Yeah. What is it? What is it? Neither desirable nor undesirable object. It's a upeka, right? Yeah. Eta Mijata Ramana. So here, I don't know why, not the same categorization. Yeah. Okay, so there is a 3 kinds of objects. Anaita Ramana is very easy to understand and desirable. Eta Ramana is desirable. Yeah. Ati Eta Ramana is, according to the Abhidhamma explanation, Ati Eta Ramana is the object is like listening the Dhamma and seeing the Buddha. It is Ati Eta Ramana. Yeah. Okay. So when you encounter a undesirable object, Anaita Ramana, I think is wait. Okay. Okay. So this is the the thought process. Yeah. So this is a Chakku Dwara. Yeah. Chakku Dwara Viti example. So there is some kind of violence. Yeah. It's a fighting each other. It's a Aneta Ramana. So every day in the war. Yeah. When you open the TV, there's a Aneta Ramana. Yeah. Undesirable object. Yeah. Even though people knows that, but I don't know, sometimes I feel very sad and disappointed. You know, the people always say very, modernized and very, what is it, advanced level. So people, the level of the, what is it, uh, what is it, the people, yeah, the level of the people are getting higher. They say like that, but sometimes I feel confused. Yeah, they are getting more full of the jealous, yeah, from between among the countries, yeah. So jealousy, hatred, too much, yeah, too much. Even in Myanmar, even though most of the population are Buddhists, they like now a lot killing because of the hatred, yeah, hatred. Because of let's um how many days, how many years? It's a 4 5 years under the democratic governments. The all the people, they are hoping to develop. At that moment, the military control then it makes the people rage, so very angry. So that's why, because of that angry, they like very much. I I use that word because when someone, hey, today 5 soldiers we have killed, hey, like that. 10 soldiers we kill, hey, like that. Even monks sometimes in the comment. Okay, I'm not talking about that. This is undesirable object, yeah, undesirable object. If it is undesirable object, yeah, is a connected with the thought process, this thought process. And Panchadara Vajana, there is only one. It's a no choice, yeah, no nothing. Panchadara Vajana is a function or a resultant. It's a function, yeah. It's a rootless function, yeah. Panchadara Vajana, Chakku Vijnana, yeah. Chakku Vijnana also resultant, yeah. Resultant, Sampadechana also resultant. So here, Chakku Vijnana, there is a two. One is Akusala Chakku Vijnana. One is Ahetuka Kusala Vipaka. There's a two. Yeah, there's a two. So if the object of that thought process is Anita Ramana, Chakku Vijnana must be Akusala Vipaka Chakku Vijnana. Yeah, unwholesome resultant, rootless, unwholesome resultant I consciousness, seeing consciousness. Yeah. So out of these two, there must be rootless, very long. Akusala Chakku Vijnana is easy. Yeah. It's easy. For the complete full name of that one is rootless resultant, unwholesome resultant seeing consciousness. Yeah, seeing conscious. So it means like that. And Sampadechana. Sampadechana as well. There is a two Sampadechana. receiving consciousness. One is in the akusala, one is in ahituka kusala. So if the object is the undesirable object, sampadichana also must be akusala. Akusala sampadichana. And again, santirana. So normally there is a 3 santirana. Yeah, 3 santirana. One is akusala, and 2, yeah, 2 out of 2, one is upekha, yeah, upekha, one is somanasa. So in the akusala santirana is upekha, yeah, upekha. So if the object of the thought process is undesirable, anitaramana object, santirana must be akusala. It's a upekha is already, yeah. There is a no 2 in the akusala, only upekha. Akusala upekha santirana. And Utthapana is a functional. We are not talking about that. Yeah, function. And Javana is also not resultant. And Dadaramana also resultant. So that's why if the object is the undesirable object, the Dadaramana is akusala upekha santirana only. Akusala upekha santirana only. Because the object is undesirable object. Okay, so this is objects and resultant consciousness. So this is a fixed order. So only what we have to choose is if there is a sometimes here akusala santirana only one. There's no need to choose. Yeah, akusala upekha also there is only one. There's no need to choose. Akusala sampadichana 1. Akusala vipaka here as well 1. But another and with the etaramana desirable object, you have to choose one of 2 or 3. Okay, let's continue a little bit.
Sorry, can you say again the akusala upekha santirana? Yeah, that one. What is that? Sorry. In the mind moment scheme, where is that one? Is it the Tadaramana?
Tadaramana? What?
I'm missing the last what you're saying for the last time, because this when it's an undesirable object.
Yeah.
And then sort of the mind door process is subscribed here, right?
Yeah, mind door process.
Yes, but then the akusala upekha santirana, where in the mind door process is that one?
If the Dadaramana arise, the order must be like that.
Yeah, but then I'm a bit confused because there it says akusala with the Ramana. I'm now totally confused.
Mm-hmm.
The last, then it says
here?
No. No. Does somebody understand what I'm confused about? No. Yeah, here this scheme, and then you have the last block: akusala upekha santirana.
Akusala upekha santirana.
What is that? Because it's
a Tadaramana.
But the Tadaramana cannot be Akusala we just said in the other scheme.
No, Tadaramana, there's a one consciousness is included in the Tadaramana. This is what I'm writing here. This is all Tadaramana. Actually, I should put here as well Tadaramana, here as well Tadaramana.
But Tadaramana can only be 3 rootless investigation consciousness and 8 wholesome resultant consciousness.
Yeah, Santirana, 3 Santirana and 8 great resultant consciousness, altogether 11.
Yeah, but why is here standing Akusala then?
No, I think it's just meant Akusala Vipaka. The line on the top is Vipaka Chittas, only speaking about Vipaka Chittas here.
Yeah, but still, why is it Akusala? Because we just said
it is not Akusala, it is a result of Akusala.
A result of Akusala. Oh,
yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Akusala Vipaga, we can say like that. Yeah. So you may confuse. Yeah, I think yeah. Yeah, Akusala Vipaga. Yeah. Upekha Santirana. That's what I mean. And there's a 11 Tadaramana is here is a 1, and here is 2 Santirana. Is a 1 is Somanasa, 1 is Ubeka.
Yeah.
And out of the 8 Mahavipaga, and 8 Mahavipaga altogether 11. So that's why I write Aheduka Akusala Ubeka Santirana.
Yes.
And next one is Aheduka Kusala Vipaga Ubeka Santirana and Somanasa Santirana. Very long. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So I think it's better to continue next time. You may get a headache. Actually, I am very interested to learn about this one. You know, I always say when I was studying, learning in the monastery, I didn't understand well. You know, we have to learn by heart. Yeah, we have to learn by heart. You know, for example, if the object of the thought process is Anetaramana, Akusala Vipaga Panchavinyana must arise, something like that. We have to learn by, we don't know why.
Can I ask one question?
But until now, I also have some kind of question. Yeah, I will tell you next time. I don't have an answer.
Can I have one small question?
Okay.
And the question is, because in the class I could not join, I believe somewhere you said that the yoniso or ioniso, because I thought, you know, the yoniso or the ioniso is in the, oh, I don't know how to say it in Pali, but the Votapana-chitta? Because it's determining, I don't know in English, the Javana.
Yeah.
But in that class, I heard you saying, okay, let's say it differently. If we have one mind door process, is it when the Manisikara is arising in one of these moments of one mind door process, is it all the time yoniso or ioniso? Or in one mind door process, can it be sometime yoniso and sometimes ioniso?
Yeah. Always So one of it must be yoniso and or ayoniso.
Yes, I thought so.
Yeah.
Because it is determining, I don't know, the Javana, and otherwise it's a bit mixed up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there must be one of them, one of these two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So, and when shall we meet next time? Because this is the normally according to our plan, 2nd December. But 2nd December, I think it's better to skip